Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of giving you a little update on Heartopia's map, like UI and stuff, and how you can kind of navigate through it. So if you press map, as you can see, it is a little bit different. It's not that big of a difference. It says it like reads marker, construction, resident, and DG member. So you are able to hide and like unhide stuff from your map. So if you want to, for instance, hide the houses, you can click on the construction and it's going to hide, actually, it will hide the buses as well and the like stores. So here, as you can see, it will remove all of that. And then here is if you want to remove the or like hide the DG members and then residents here. So I think it's the same, actually. I don't know what difference that makes. Oh, okay, the like actual like NPCs, it's going to hide that. And then we have the markers here. So if you want to like focus on like a particular marker, you can. You can like hide the ones you don't need. For instance, you just want to focus on the ones that look like stars. So you're able to turn all of it off, so you're able to see just the stars for the markers. You can also hide them all if you want to, and then press the ones you need. I think that's more convenient, honestly. And here's what it looks like with all of it turned off. We just have the events left. You can also see your house clearer because it's going to highlight like your lot, which I'm on lot 8 right now. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.